All right, we're gonna do a repair test today on this shingle right here.
Yeah,
This one's damaged, so we're gonna do a simulated repair test. Got to remove the rows above to get the nails out. We're gonna start by breaking this shingle loose. That one's already broke. Break that loose. That one. Nice and easy. All right, got them all broke loose. Nail puller. I'm going to pull out the nails above so we can remove the shingle. All right, shingles out. Notate the storm debris under the shingle, obviously. What you can see is by attempting to remove the nails, we've caused score marks where the shingles are. Obviously, we have, this is pretty brittle, so we got to be careful. We're gonna go ahead and put this shingle back in and show you what that looks like. Match it up perfect. Just like that. Same. Come on. Gotta lift the shingles up so we can get the nails back in. All right, all nails back in. What you can see is you see all these granules right here. See this? We're affecting what's essentially the backbone of this shingle. While you see this granular loss here, what we've done is effectively we can't manipulate these shingles because they're too old. It's too brittle. And in the attempt to repair this shingle, we're causing more damage. These shingles will not seal back together, okay? So that is a fail.